this is according to a power x is equals to y. Therefore, log y to base a is nothing but 0. After the point, decimal point, what you are going to get it as, that is going to be known as the mantissa. Just by writing to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 3. They have given 4th root to the power of 1 by 4. Then applying this formula. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in the last session, we have learnt about how to solve the problems based on the logarithmic laws, isn't it? So in this session, we are going to have the chapter logarithms, which is a chapter number 4 in your NCERT textbook, and this is a session number 5 you are going to have. And what is the topic we are going to study under this session, dear students? We are going to study the problem zone to find the log and anti-log. They are going to ask you to find the logarithmic of a number or anti-logarithmic of a number, or to find the value of x by using the tables of logarithmic and anti-logarithmic. Okay dear students, let us move on to the what is that common logarithm here. That is nothing but here you are going to have it as a 10 power 0 is nothing but what? 1. You know, according to the logarithmic definition, what is logarithmic definition says, dears? A power x is equals to y, means you can write it as according to the logarithmic log y to base a is nothing but x, isn't it? You can refer here, dear students. This is according to a power x is equals to y. Therefore, log y to base a is nothing but 0. That is nothing but a. You are going to have it as x value. That's it. Okay. So here 10 power 1 is 10. Similarly, you can write it as log 10 to base 10 is nothing but 1. Any value of a log to the same base, you are going to have it as 1. Right. So next will be 10 squared is nothing but 100. So therefore, you can write it as log 100 to the base 10 is nothing but 2. 10 cube is nothing but 1000. So the log 1000 to the base 10 is nothing but 3. So similarly, 10 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 0.1. Log to the base 10, 0. Is nothing but minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 0.01. And log to the base 10, 0.01 can be written as minus 2. And similarly, 10 power minus 3 is nothing but 0.001. So log to the base 10, 0.001 is equals to minus 3. So this and all you have to know under common logarithm. Okay, so let me move on to that characteristics and then mantissa. What do you mean by the characteristics? What do you mean by the mantissa? Here, this characteristics and the mantissa depends on the logarithmic table. So I am going to show you the logarithmic table. Before, let me learn this. What do you mean by the logarithmic characteristics and the mantissa? Logarithmic of a number to the base 10 has 2 parts. So what we have learnt here, to the base 10 has 2 parts. What are the, one is the integral part called the characteristics. Integral part is nothing but before the decimal point, what you are going to get it as, that is going to be known as the characteristics. And then the other is nothing but the fractional part called the mantissa. After the point, decimal point, what you are going to get it as, that is going to be known as the mantissa. Understood? For example, here I have taken the example log 25.63. So here to the base 10. So this is going to be known as the characteristics and this is going to be known as the mantissa. After finding what is going to be known as the characteristics here, see, you are having here 2 characteristics, 1, 2. 2, 5, whatever it is, it can be a number 33, it can be a number 43, it can be a number 56. How many characteristics are there? 2 characteristics are there. So if 2 characteristics are there, you are going to find out first 25 in the log table. You are going to search for the 25. Here according to 31 is there. So you are going to search for the 25. The table is 25 and then you are going to find out 25, 6. 6 is nothing but 6th row, whatever the value you are going to write, that you are going to write it as, and you are going to remain with the other value. Other value is nothing but 3. 3 you are going to see in the mean difference. Mean difference means in the 3rd row you are going to have the mean difference of the particular row. Are you getting? So that is how you are going to find out the value of the log table. So here you are going to have it as So 1.4085. Actually, the log table value is this one, 4085. What this 1? 1 is nothing but here 2 characteristics is there. That 2 characteristics you are going to minus 1. If 2 characteristics are there, before the decimal point you are going to write that 1. Suppose if you are having 3 characteristics like this, 3, 4, 2, how many characteristics are there? There are 3 characteristics. If 3 characteristics are there, you are going to write it as 2 point something, whatever the value of the log table. For example, let me give you some more clarification. Here, what is a mantissa? What is a characteristics? I am going to show you. After finding the logarithmic table, before the decimal point, that is 1, this is going to be known as the characteristics, and after the decimal point, whatever the value you are going to have, that is 0. Leaving this one, what is remaining? 0.4085. What is that? 1 plus 0.4085 is nothing but 1.4085, correct? So this is what 0.4085 is going to be known as the mantissa. Understood? For example, let me take the other example here. Find log of 33.46. So let me have it here. So 33 means you are going to consider 3346. Okay, 3346. Where 33 you are going to get it as? No decimal point will be considered when you are going to find out the log value. When you are going to write after the log value, before the decimal point, characteristics to be considered. So now I want to find out 3346. Leaving this point, let me find out 3346. Where 33 will be coming here? 33 is here. Now, where is the 4? 4 means you are going to move to the 4th row. That means here 1, 2, that is you are going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you are going to have 4. So 4th means this is a 5, 2, 3, 7. So therefore you are going to write it as here. That is 0.527. Okay, let me write as it is this one, and then you are going to have 6th one. 6 is nothing but 6th row in where? In the 6th column in where? In the mean difference. What is the mean difference here? This table will be given together. Here, to make you the clarity, I have made it as separate, and this table will be given in a one page itself. Okay, so here mean difference is nothing but 6th column you are going to have. In the 6th column, which is a 33, 1, 2, 3. So here you are going to have it as 1, 2, 3. So here you are going to find out 3 is nothing but 8, correct? So that 8 you are going to add it to that one. So what is that 8? Let me add it here. So if you add that plus 8, so plus 8, correct? Plus 8, you are going to add that one. Are you getting? So if you add that plus 8, what you are going to get it as? So here 8 plus 7 is nothing but 15. 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4, and then 2, and then 5. So now 5, 2, 4, 5 is nothing but your answer. Not is the answer. You need to see the characteristics. What is the characteristics? Here 2 characteristics you are having. So 2 characteristics means you are going to write the value as 1. That is, if 2 characteristics if you are having means you are going to do minus 1. Minus 1 means 1 point, what is that? You are going to have 1.5245. This is your answer for log of 33.46. I think you understood. Now if I am going to have 3 characteristics, then what you are going to get it here? 2. Okay, that means, for example, if they ask you to find out log of 346.15, find the log of 346.15 means together you are going to consider. So here I am going to take it as 34. 34 means only 2 digits only you are going to consider. 3 or 4 or 5 before the decimal points, only you need to consider the 2 digits, because you are having the logarithmic table according to that only. From 1 only you are going to have. Here I have taken from 31. Okay, so here 34, where is the 34? Look at here, 34 is there. Therefore 34, and which column you are going to have? 6th column. That is, you are going to have your 6th column. So therefore 34, 6th column is nothing but this is the value 5391. Let me write that value. What is that? You are going to have it as 5391. Okay, here point will be there 1, 5. 1 and 5 means you are going to have here So let me take it as here 0.1 only. 0.1 means you are going to have in the 1th row, correct? So which is the column? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to have it as 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore here you are going to have it as 4 and first one only. You are going to have first one is nothing but this only. Plus 1 you are going to have it, add it as. So plus 1 is nothing but here plus 1. So 1, 1 is 2, 9, 3, 5. So point. How many characteristics you are going to have? Here 3 characteristics. 3 characteristics means what you need to write? 2. How many characteristics you are going to write? Here 3 characteristics are there. Minus 1 means 2 is remaining, that is the characteristics. This is called the characteristics and this is going to be known as the mantissa. I think you understood how to find out the log values. Okay, we'll move on to problems, how to find out here. So and then we'll be teaching you how to find out the anti-log of that one. So first they have asked you, using the logarithmic table, find the logarithmic of each of the following numbers. One is 563.5. How to find out? First in the logarithmic table you are moving on to the column of what? 56th, correct, or the row of 56th, and then you are going to see a third column. In that third column you are going to see next one, mean differences. Mean differences will be 5th one. Okay, that you are going to add. Then how many characteristics are there here? 3 characteristics are there. The answer will come in 2 point, isn't it? Therefore answer for this will be is equals to log of, find log of 563.5 will be is equals to, you are going to get the answer for this will be is equal to 2.7509. Okay, this is your answer. You can check according to what I have taught how to find out in the log table. Got? So next value they have asked log 12. So directly you are going to find out the 12th row in the log table. So log 12 value, you are going to get the answer will be is equal to, so 2 characteristics are there. 2 characteristics means 1 will be converting, because minus 1 you are going to do, you are going to get the answer will be is equals to 1.0792. This is your answer. You can check in the log table. Okay, so okay, we'll move on to the next one. Using logarithmic tables, find the logarithmic of each of the following numbers. So here they have given, so you can have it as this will be is equals to log of 0.0057. Okay, so you are going to find out here the answer will be is equals to log of 0.0057 will be is equals to, the answer you are going to get for this one is a 3 bar, because you are going to have after decimal point 3 bar 0.7559. 3 bar is nothing but minus 3. You are going to have it as minus 3 only. We are going to write it as a 3 bar. Okay, so because here you are going to find out not 0057. 57 means this 00 is there. 00 is minus 3. Okay, minus 3 means you are going to have it as minus 3 means 3 bar you are going to write it as. Similarly this will be log of 0.0063 can be written as, so this 00 is not there in the table, directly you are moving on to 63. 0.003 is there, so here also you are going to get the answer 000, correct? So another 0. So 4 bar, because minus 4 you are going to have it as 0.7993. This is your answer. Okay, okay, we'll move on to the next one. Using the logarithmic table, find the anti-logarithmic of each of the following. So how to find out the anti-logarithmic of? Let me find out here the anti-log. I am going to write it here, anti-log of 1.563. Okay, so here you are moving on to the row of, see here you are having anti-logarithmic, there I was having 15, correct na? So here you are going to have it as, what is that? The value, see 21, 22. Let me find out here, similarly like this only, what is that they have given? Find the value of anti-log of 2.563. 2.563. So here, if you are going to find out, first you are going to consider without decimal point. What is the without decimal point? 2563. 2563 means what you are going to have it as 25 is the, now you are going to take it as in the 25th row, which is the 25th, this one. 25th row, this is the 6th column. So 25th, 6th column is, this one is the 6th column, 1803. So you are going to have it as 1803, correct? So again, third, mean differences. What is the mean differences? Here is the mean differences. So the last one, correct? The last one, mean differences is what? Third one, correct? Here, this one, because 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you are at 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you are going to have it as the last one is nothing but the third row, correct? So third row is nothing but this one. Third row. So third row is nothing but you are going to have it as 4. So plus 4 you are going to add for this one. So what is that? Plus 4 will be is equals to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is plus 2. So plus 2 means you are going to have it as your plus 2. So 1803 plus 2 will be is equal to 5081. Now we are going to have it as 1805. So 1805 already you are going to have 2. You are going to find out that 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. 0 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. If it is there, 0.33 minus 1. If it is there already 1 minus, you are going to have it as minus 1. Okay, like that you are going to find out. So you are going to have the value will be is equals to 1 point, what is that? 1805. Okay, is the anti-logarithmic of that value. So here also you are going to have it as anti-logarithmic of 1.563 is nothing but after the decimal point you are going to see the value, isn't it? So here you are going to have the value will be is equal to 36.56. After the 2 decimal you are going to find out here, not 1 decimal. Here what I have taught you, 2 decimal, 11.80 you are going to have it as, not 1 point, because 2 decimal you are going to have. After the 2 characteristics you are going to put the decimal point. Okay, so here you are going to have it as the value of 0.0063 is 4 bar, anti-log of 1.563 is nothing but you are going to, 1 characteristics you are going to add. You are going to add 1. This is the value, 3656 is the value. Okay, same you are going to find it according to the, how you are going to find out the logarithmic, but what it will change here, characteristics. If it is there 1 characteristics here, you are going to add another one, that is 2. After 2 characteristics you are going to put the decimal point. That is what the answer for anti-logarithm. So here you are going to have it as anti-log of, what is that? You are going to have it as 0.643. 0.643 is nothing but the answer will be is equal to 4 point, because 0 means 1 characteristics is added. 1 characteristic means after 1 characteristics you are going to put the decimal point. So therefore 4.395. 4395 is the answer for anti-log of 0.643. So 4.395 is the answer in the anti-logarithmic table. Understood? Next we'll be moving on to using the logarithmic tables, find the anti-logarithmic of each of the following. So they have asked what anti-log of, what they have asked, 3 bar. 3 bar means minus 3. 3 bar 0.673. So if they ask you to find out here, will be having the value. How many? 3 bar means how we are going to find out? Minus 3 means 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 means 0.00. Correct? 10 to the power of minus 2 means 0.0. Right? 10 to the power of minus 1 means 0 point. You are going to have it as. So here you are going to have the answer will be is equals to 0.004710. 4710. This is your answer. Similarly, anti-log of 0.078. What is 0.0? You know already 0.0 is nothing but 1, correct? So before, after adding that 1 0, you are going to get it as 1. So 1.197. 1.197 is your answer. You can check it in the anti-logarithmic table. Understood? We'll be moving on to the next problem. 2 marker problems. Find the number of digits in the integral part of 3 power 20 they have asked. So how to find out here? 3 power 20. Let me see here. So first you are going to take like this. So first you are going to have it as take log on both the side. Let me take it as let x will be is equals to 3 power 20. 3 power 20. Okay, this is how we are going to solve the problem, and then take log on both the side. So take log on both the side. If you take log on both the side, you are going to have it as log x will be is equal to log 3 power 20. Okay, so here this is according to log m power n. What is log m power n? Log m power n is n log m. So therefore this will be is equals to log x will be is equal to 20 log 3. Now you are easy to find out. Log 3 means in the third row of the log table you are going to find out. That value will be getting by checking the log table. Log x will be is equal to 20. Log 3 will be having the value 0.4771. This is a value. You are going to multiply with the 20. Log x will be is equals to 20 into 0.4771 will be is equal to 9.542. Okay. And then how to find out now, ma'am, x value? X value is nothing but you are going to take log to that side, it will shift it to anti-log. Therefore, x will be is equals to anti-log of 9.542. And the value, dear students, you are going to get, the answer will be is equals to, now they are going to ask you the characteristics. What is the characteristics? Since you are going to have here 9, the characteristics will be is equal to, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is your characteristics. Okay, that is how you are going to find out the value. If you want, you can find out the x value as anti-log. Understood? This is what the procedure will go to find out. Next will be find the number of digits in the integral part. Number of digits they have asked. Number of digits means what we are finding the characteristics. What is that? 1.456 to the power of 15. First, what we are going to do? Let me take it as x is equals to. So let x is equals to 1.456 to the power of 15. So applying log on both the side, log x will be is equal to log of 1.456 to the power of 15. Now you can have 15 log, according to the logarithmic laws, 15 log 1.456. So let me find out. This one will be is equals to log x will be is equals to 15 into the value you are going to get it as 0.1631. So the answer you are going to get it as 2.4465. So therefore they have asked all the characteristics is 2. Correct? As the characteristics is 2, you are going to have it as number of digits. Number of digits will be is equal to 2 plus 1 will be is equal to 3. That's it. That's what they have asked. Find the integral part of the digits here. Digits means characteristics you are going to take it as. Understood, dears? Yes. Okay, we'll move on to, if you want to find out, you can find out x is equal to anti-log of that one, how I have taught in the table. That's it. Okay, we'll move on to the find the number of digits in the characteristics. Same you are going to have it as, what is that? Taking log on both the sides. Same you are going to have here 3.546 to the power of 20. So therefore taking log on both the side, or put x equal to, let x is equals to 3.546 to the power of 20. Otherwise, log x will be is equals to log 3.546 to the power of 20. So log x will be is equal to, that means you are going to have the value will be is equal to 20 into log of 3.546. Otherwise, you can have it as log x will be is equal to 20 into the value of, what is that? 3.546 can be equal to By multiplying, we are going to get it as, so log x will be is equals to 10.9947. Since the characteristics is 10, this is a characteristics. Therefore, we are going to have it as number of digits. Number of digits will be equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 digits. That is what the answer you are going to have it as. Understood? Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Find the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant figure in the given question. What they have given? 0.75 to the power of 55. Let me find first by taking x is equals to, then let me find out what are the number of zeros there between the decimal point and the first significant figure in the given problem. So what they have given, let x is equals to 0.7 whole to the power of 55. Otherwise, log x will be is equal to log of 0.7 whole to the power of 55. Otherwise, you can have it as 55 into log of 0.7. Correct? So, therefore, you are going to have the answer will be is equals to here. The answer for this one. Log of means 0 is there. Before 0, what you are going to have? We need to minus 1 character, right? Minus 1. Minus 1, how we are going to write? 1 bar. So, therefore, you are going to have the answer for this one will be is equals to 55 into 1 bar 0.8450. How we are going to write this one? 1 bar means minus 1. So, minus 1. So 55, which will be is equals to 55 into 1 bar is minus 1 plus what you need to add? Need to add this one, 0.8450, correct? So 0.8450 will be is equals to, you can minus this one, you are going to get the answer 55 into minus 0.155. So the answer you are going to get it as minus 8525. Okay, minus 8.525. How we are going to write this minus 8? Minus 8, which will be is equal to minus 8 minus 0.525. Correct? So, minus 8 minus 0.525 can be written as, what is that? Which will be characteristics of minus 1, because minus 8 minus 1. So, minus 0.525. So, the answer you are going to get for this one will be is equals to, so minus 9. So, you are going to have plus, what is that? Because minus of minus will become plus. So, minus of minus or plus 1, 0. What is that? 475. So, the answer will be 9 bar 0.475. That is your answer. Okay, here you are going to get the answer for, because I need to get the characteristics, means characteristics of minus 8 minus 1. Back I have to go. Minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. Again I have to minus from this. Minus into minus, it will become plus 1 characteristics. So therefore here I can write it as like this. I can write this one as will be is equal to minus 8 minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.525. Because this minus 8 minus 1 is nothing but minus 9, correct? And then you are going to minus from 1, 0.5285. One characteristics have to go behind, right? So that is your answer, okay? So answer for this question. Okay, we'll move on to the next one, which is nothing but find the number of zeros. You can try over this, okay? Try this one, how to get the result. So next one, free marker. Using the tables, find the value of 0.7321 into 0.563. So how we are going to find out using the table? Let me have here. So first let me use the result here. What is that? Applying a log on to the given, what is that? Problem. So applying log, what you are going to get it as? Log of 0.7321 into 0.563. How it will look like? This will look like this. Log m n. What is log m n? Log m plus log n. Correct? According to that formula, we can use this one. What it will be is equals to? It will be is equals to log m, what is that? Log 0.7321 plus log of 0.563, correct? Log of 0.563. So therefore, this you can have it as, which will be is equals to, by finding the value of, what you need to consider, only 7321, 73 row and second column, 1 is the mean difference. Here also, you are going to have it as 5 row, 6 is the column, 3 is the mean difference you are going to have it as, right? So according to that, we are going to have the value will be is equals to log of 0.7321 will be is equal to 1 bar, you are going to have it as 1 bar 0.8465 plus you are going to have it as 1 bar 0.7505. That is your answer here. We are going to minus that one. Then you are going to get the answer for this will be is equals to, what is that? Minus, which will be is equal to minus 0.385. How we are going to find it? Minus 0.385. So therefore, you are going to have the answer will be is equals to anti-log of, because you are going to find out this one. So to find out this one, you can take it as let x is equals to what? Log x is equals to, okay? This you can take it as let x is equals to, okay? Let x is equals to given, then log x. Then after finding anti-log of that one, here you are going to get it as log x. So log x will be is equals to, you are going to have that value. Then x will be is equal to, you can find out the value, which will be is equal to minus 1 plus minus 0.385 minus, so minus 0.385 will be is equal to anti-log of this one will be is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 0.615, which will be is equals to minus 1.615. This is your answer. Anti-log of that one you are going to find out here. Understood? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. A 3 marker using the table. Same you are going to have it as let x is equals to, let x is equals to given 2.345 into 12.72. So therefore, applying log on both the side, log x is equals to log of 2.345 into 12.72. Try this one. How we are going to have? Which will be is equal to log m. That is 2.345 plus a log of 12.72. Find out the value of log 23, fourth column, fifth difference here. Log 12, seventh column, 2 is the difference. Find out and accordingly find out the value. Okay. So try this one. The same value you are going to have it as. Here, how to find out this one? Using the table, find the value of, they have given in different, square root of 3.56, cube root of 8.634. That is the question they have given there, isn't it? Let me take it as let x is equals to, what is that? X is equals to, let x is equal to square root of 3.56 into cube root of 8.634. Correct? Therefore, here square root I can write it as how? 3.56 to the power of 1 by 2 into cube root of means 8.634 to the power of 1 by 3. Correct? Cube root is 1 by 3. So therefore, applying log on both the side, what you are going to get it as? Log on both the side means log x will be is equal to log of 3.56 to the power of 1 by 2 into 8.634 to the power of 1 by 3. Correct? So therefore, 1 by 3. So therefore, you can apply log m log n. What is that? Log m plus n. So 3.56 to the power of 1 by 2 plus log 8.634 to the power of, what is that? 1 by 3. Now you can have it as log m power n. What is log m power n? log m power n is nothing but n log m. So n log m you are going to consider as 1 by 2 log 3.56 plus 1 by 3 log 8.634. So you are going to find out according to the log table, and the answer you are going to get for this one will be is equal to 1 by 2 into log of this one will be is equal to 0.5514 plus 1 by 3 into 0. You are going to, because 1 minus 0.9362. So after dividing, you are going to get the answer will be is equals to 0.2757 plus divided by 3, because into 3 is there, here into 2 is there, okay, divided by this, you are going to get the answer will be is equal to 0.3120. So which will be is equal to, the answer will be here adding this 0.5877. Answer by adding this you will be equal to 0.5877. That is the answer you are going to get it as. But here I want anti-log of this one. Anti-log of this one you are going to get the answer. This is a log x. Find out anti-log. Find out the anti-log. Anti-log of 0.5877. Okay. Yes. Okay, we'll move on to what is that. I think you understood how to solve the problem. If they are given square root and the cube root, just by writing to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 1 by 3. If they have given fourth root, to the power of 1 by 4. Then applying this formula. I think you've understood this problem how to solve. So thank you dear students. I hope you understood how to find out the logarithmic table by using the table, and how to find out the anti-log, how to write down the characteristics, how to write down the number of digits. In the next session, we'll be moving on to the 5-marker problem solving by using the logarithmic table as well anti-logarithmic table. Thank you.